turn now to the latest coronavirus numbers. Florida is reporting a little more than 2,000 new cases within the last 24 hours with a 6% positivity rate. The state is reporting 140 new cases in Broward with a 4% positivity rate. And Miami-Dade is seeing 407 new cases within the last 24 hours with a 6% positivity rate. And because the cases and positivity rates have remained low, Miami-Dade is easing some restrictions, starting with a countywide curfew. Local 10 News reporter Christina Vasquez is live with all the details. Christina.
The county mayor is opening up the aperture just a little bit on the economy and some outdoor activities as they continue to monitor those case numbers. Get ready, Miami-Dade. In just days, you'll be able to enjoy a few more old normal activities.
We'll be wearing masks until we have a vaccine.
In our socially distancing, new normal guidelines kind of way. Starting Monday, outdoor areas of Zoo Miami and Jungle Island will open. You can play baseball and softball at county parks. Tour boats and charter boats can operate at 50% capacity, and rental bikes and scooters can open for business.
And they must supply sanitizing wipes so that users can clean the bike before and after the ride.
Also Monday, the countywide curfew will shift back an hour to 11 p.m. That means it remains at 10 p.m. this week, except for ticket holders attending the Miami Hurricanes game opener at Hard Rock Stadium tomorrow night. They've been granted a get out of COVID-19 civil enforcement pass.
If you're going to the game, keep your ticket with you in case you get stopped by police.
But don't push it, cautions the county mayor.
I would expect that if you're at somewhere at 3 o'clock in the morning, I don't think that the ticket's going to help you much, okay? So you need to get back home after the game. We know when the game ends.
On the not ready to reopen list, say the public health officials advising the county, playgrounds, movie theaters, bars, and nightclubs.
Bars and discos and so forth have been sites of major clusters.
I don't foresee us opening bars and nightclubs here for the foreseeable future and until we get a vaccine.
And the county announced that it's one step closer to the launch of that contact tracing app that they purchased and have been developing. Nicole?
Christina, so what needs to happen before the mayor opens the county even further?
It is such a great question. So there's several metrics they're always looking at. Of course, we know one of them to be the hospitalization rate, but they also want to get some additional data points to see what has happened since they reopened recently indoor dining. And they're waiting to see the impacts of this Labor Day weekend we just came off of. That full picture is still not in. So those are some of those things that they want to take a look at, in addition to the reopening that we're going to see on Monday, and kind of see where we are in that space before they move any further from what was announced today.